Hey, it's Dawn from Knock It Out Chat and Chores. Today we'll be making a sewing table from Scratch and Dent and an Amazon legs. So come hang out with me and see where we go with this. Take care. You don't want this, dude. It's nothing. Where's the other one? This is a cabinet door from the Scratch and Dent side of IKEA. So I got the legs from Amazon. And we'll see what happens. Because in real life, I'm short. And it's hard to find a sewing desk that isn't made by Play School. So the door was 20 bucks. The legs I think were $20-ish. Under 30. I measured the screw that came with the kit to the drill bit and then added a little bit of masking tape. So I went and drilled all the way through the door. It worked out rather well. I like this thing. I like it better when I remember to charge it. One. Yay, I didn't go through. Masking tape. For the win. Now I'm just running through, pre-drilling all the holes, and then I'll go back through and install the actual hardware that came with it. I need a charging day. I'm changing the battery. I'm not changing the tool. I don't know if doing every other one applies in this case, but I think it does. Where is your brother? But something in my head is telling me if you do every other one, there's 5 over here, so you it gets tight evenly. Or maybe that's just for tires. I don't remember. Here's the translation. What I'm trying to say is I'm tightening things down by tightening every other screw. And since there's 5 of them, I think I'm tightening them evenly. So yes, this is the inside up. I could not put the pretty side up since it had all kinds of grooves going on and it would have been uneven. Every time I start this machine, I hear the Pink Floyd Money song. And time's up. So the table doesn't, I mean, it does when I do that, but that used to shake the entire table to work. So, but it is a table that I can reach, that doesn't wobble, and it's not huge. Close enough. Well, that's another thing knocked out. Thanks for hanging out with me. Have a great day.